In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view your network data usage on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select network and internet. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select advanced network settings. And then underneath more settings, select data usage. And then it should give you a data usage up at the top, and you can change the filter period over 7 days, 24 hours, or 30 days. And you can see which system processes and applications are using the most amount of memory. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.